Hello everyone! Here, we present a new tutorial for the brand new AI board from System Electronics, Astrial. In this tutorial, we present how to use one of the most famous LED matrix hat, coming from third-party manufacturer that produces hats and boards compatible with the Raspberry Pi ecosystem, Pimoroni. This means that you can use all third-party hardware compatible with Raspberry Pi ecosystem with your Astrial board. The list of material used in this project is made just by Raspberry Pi CM4 I/O board, the Astrial board, and the Unicorn hat. Remember that we used in this tutorial the HD version. Connect the Unicorn hat to the GPIO header of the CM4 I/O board. Since the Unicorn hat occupies all the GPIO pins, you will need to power your Astrial board via the 5 volts and ground pin on the USB header of the CM4 I/O carrier, as illustrated in the schematic. Here comes the software part. First of all, download from the System Electronics GitHub repository the full tutorial repo. Copy the entire folder of this tutorial to your Astrial board. This folder contains the example script, as well as a custom version of the Unicorn hat library that works with the Astrial board. Now, connect to your Astrial via SSH. Make sure to replace the IP address I'm using on my board with the correct IP address of your board. With everything set up, you're now ready to run the example Python script called unicornhatexample.py. Simply go into the folder and run it. As you can see, the unicorn hat comes to life with vibrant colors and LED animations. And that's it! You've successfully set up and run a unicorn hat on your Astrial and CM4 I/O carrier board.